Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjevan. Please like, share and subscribe to see more upcoming videos.
Kelya Modokk is a very popular snack among the GSBs of Kochi, Kerala. Also made as nivedo for many rituals and pujas, this is a very easy and quick to make snack. When you have a lot of overripe bananas, you can prepare this and make your dear ones happy with a delicious snack. Here I have some ripe homegrown bananas. So I am using them up to make two dishes, Kelya Modokk and Kelya Sasam.
Watch for Kelya Sasam in the upcoming videos.
For the Modokk we need 3 to 4 very ripe bananas. They can be Mysore Kerala or other yellow ones. 1 cup of wheat flour or atta, quarter cup of rice flour, 1 cup of grated coconut, sugar or jaggery as per your choice and sweetness required, and a pinch of salt. Mash the bananas well. Then add all the other ingredients. Mix well to make a soft dough. See that the dough is softer and better than a chapati dough, but should not be too watery. Add more flour if needed to thicken it. Heat oil in a kadai and drop small balls or pinches of the dough into the oil and deep fry till golden brown. Keep the flame on medium so that the insides too cook well and the outside is crisp. Remove and serve.
Kids would love this easy to make evening snack. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.